Hello dear traders, it's Petko Alexandrov, and in this lecture I will show you how to place all the expert advisors in MetaTrader. So the first thing I need to do is to open 99 chart windows, so 33 for euro dollar, 33 for dollar yen, and 33 for euro yen. This is because we need to place each expert advisor on a separate window. Okay, you cannot place them over one trading window. So first I will start with the euro dollar, right click chart window, and here comes the new chart window. As said, you can leave it just the way it is. It doesn't matter how you will see the chart. Is it going to be any template that you like or the default that comes? So I will do this now for all the 99 charts for the three currency pairs, and I will continue the video once I open them all. Just a couple of minutes, but I don't want to do one and the same thing during the video, so I'll just continue in a few minutes. Okay, dear students, I continue now after I have opened 99 charts, 33 for each currency pair. And the next step is you need to go to your downloads file from where you will actually receive the 99 expert advisors, and you will receive them for MT4 and MT5, so it's a personal choice if you want to use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. What I will do now, I will copy all the expert advisors for MetaTrader 4 and I will place them in the trading platform. So I click on copy and then I go to file, open data folder, MQL4, and I select experts. This is the place where you need to paste the expert advisors. It will take a little bit time with me because I am placing them over the VPS. For the new traders, VPS is virtual private server. Simply words, this is online computer or online machine where the internet doesn't stop. It's constant, and this is very important when you are trading with expert advisors. But if you have a good internet connection at home, or if you have a constant connection that doesn't have any problems, you don't need to use one. Anyway, we trade with many expert advisors on many trading accounts. We need to use VPS services. So after it is ready, just close this folder, and in the navigator you see the expert advisors, and you need to go there and click on refresh. This way, MetaTrader will compile all the 99 expert advisors and you will see them right here below. It will just take a couple of seconds because these are 99 expert advisors. And once it's ready, you can see all the expert advisors in the navigator for the euro dollar, euro yen, and the dollar yen. So first I will start with the euro dollar expert advisors. So I will start from this one over here and I will go to the first chart window. Very important is not to forget to enable the auto trading. Make sure to see the green arrow. After that, I will double click on the expert advisor and you will see the small menu here where you have the common settings, the inputs. In the inputs you can see the traded lot, stop loss, the take profit, the parameters of the indicators, and in the end you have the magic number. So the magic number is unique number for every expert advisor, and after that it will help us to identify which expert advisors, which strategies are making most profit. So when I click on OK, you will see the smiley face in the right up corner, which means that the expert advisor is already trading. After that, I will go to the second chart and you can see here the default, but one more time, no matter what trading screen you see, no indicators or anything. Even better without indicators, because if you place too many indicators on all of the charts, it might get your MetaTrader slower. So just leave it to the default without any templates or indicators, because the indicators are inside the expert advisor in the code, so you don't need to place them over the chart. I press OK and then I will go to the third one and I will press OK. So I will do this for all the charts, for all the expert advisors, and again I will continue the video in couple of minutes just not to make it boring while I'm placing the 99 expert advisors. This is a little bit work that we do in the beginning, but just keep in mind that this is only one time you need to place the expert advisors on the MetaTrader, and after that you will just follow the performance and you will place in a separate account only the top expert advisors. Okay guys, I will continue just in couple of minutes. And now you can see the last chart where I have placed the last expert advisor for Euro Yen, and I have all the 99 expert advisors now trading into the account. Okay, so this is the process, a little bit of work over here to open 99 charts, but once again this is only one time, and in the next lecture I will show you how we follow the performance after we have some results into the account. So now I will leave the account running, and once I have any history data I will show you how to connect this account to an external website from where we can follow very precise and exact statistic in the account, and we will see which expert advisors are currently making most profit, because this is the most important thing. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will continue the video in a couple of days after I have some results into the account. Always have a great day. Cheers, bye.